Hi. Okay guys, I'm documenting this in case it works. I'm trying to get rid of my blackheads. I've been googling stuff and I saw a lot of glue and charcoal, blackhead remover, blah blah blah. So I grinded and I had charcoal in the kitchen from cooking with coal pots the other day, and I have glue from making a lot of DIY art. I mix it together and I'm gonna put it on my face, and if it works, yay! If it doesn't, yeah, no. Let's do this. People, here is the charcoal and the glue. I look like those racist characters from those Looney Tunes. And now we're gonna wait for it to dry. Okay, let's go. So I can barely speak. The thing is really tight on my face, and don't be fooled by the bumps. The bumps. Wow, I feel like is this how Botox feels like? I can't even laugh. That's how tight this thing is on my face, first of all. And the bumps you see is as a result of me not grinding the charcoal very well. This is so painful. I mean, it's not painful, it's just tight on my face, and it feels like if I make any wrong move, something is going to tear. This is my face. Let the peeling begin. Woohoo! Okay, I'm starting from the top here. Ooh! Oh shit, it's working. I don't know how to feel about this, but I'm feeling feels. Don't try this at home. Otherwise, you can try this at home. I mean, look at me. This is hard. Like, how do people do it? This is just to check if this whole charcoal and glue thing works. Oh damn, can you hear that? Can you hear that? It's peeling. Okay, it wasn't dry at some points, but whatever, I need to get this thing off my face. Did you hear that? Ooh. Oh. I'm supposed to be seeing my skin or something is supposed to be coming out with this, but so far, oh damn it. Ah, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts. I didn't let it dry because I'm an impatient human being. So far I think my peel game sucks, but like this is freaking amazing. This is actually very fun. You all should try it at home. Okay, I didn't let the sides dry. Oh lord. Okay, I think it's still wet over there. It's still wet. DIY is officially my new hobby. What? It is appealing. It is appealing. Interesting. So my white heads I should. Ooh, okay. I didn't think this through. I did not think this through. Those YouTubers who make these kind of videos and they say they are in pain, it's for real. I thought it was a joke, but it's for real. Like, hallelujah. No, this is not exaggerated pain. This is for real. So basically, this is like the under of the This is like the underneath the thing, you know. Ooh, ooh. Oh man, I made a big mistake. I put it too close to my sideburns and now it's gonna burn. Today I'm going to know the true meaning of sideburns. Get it? Because it's gonna. Oh, I'm literally pulling my face off. Wait. Ah, 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 ah. Oh yeah. Oh man. I think I just came. If you haven't followed me yet, please, what are you waiting for? Yeah. I think I have hair on my face. It hurts. Ooh. Wow. Bitch. Ooh. I hope nobody is standing outside listening to me do this to myself in this bathroom. You're gonna wonder what is wrong with this girl. I'm making a video for the internet, but what is wrong with this girl? But why did I put it so? Ow! Can you hear my skin peeling? Let me just. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash the rest of my face that is left to this side. So this side decided not to dry. I probably put too much glue on that side. But hey, this is it. It worked. It didn't work. I think my pores look alright. Thank you so much for watching. What else do you want me to try? What else have you seen on the internet done by white people that you want a black person from Ghana to try? Leave it in the comments below. This was fun but painful. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much for the love on and offline. I appreciate it. Just make sure the glue dries first, okay? Let the glue dry first, okay? Go forth and be awesome. JuujuGH.